Alright, how do you change your cabin filter on 2010 Toyota Corolla? The cabin filter is behind this glove box. So what you do is you take out the glove box. If the customer has stuff in there, just remove the stuff and put it somewhere safe, like the glasses. Put those glasses on the dash. So once you have everything removed, there might be like a little retainer on this side. Once that's off, you just squeeze this glove box and it comes down. And once it comes down, you have this little cover. It probably has an arrow sign, so you have to put the, that's the little retainer. So what you do is you take the filter out and put the new filter in there. Arrow is facing up. See the airflow here on this? Facing up, so that's how you're gonna put it. Look at this air cabin filter. Filthy. Every time you do your air filter for the engine, you change the cabin filter together. That's like 10,000 miles. So next, you take the air filter, the cabin filter, you push it inside. And then you close the housing with the little cover. It slides into one side and snaps into the other side. And simple, you push in the glove box and you put it in the retainer back in the spot. And then you put all the stuff back, and that's how you change the cabin filter on a 2010 Toyota Corolla.